I've got an exclusive for you today. I'm here at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Costa Teguise. This is the first Radisson hotel in Lanzarote. It looks amazing. I'm going to go and have a sneaky peek and have a look around and show you guys back home what it's all about. There's a restaurant next door as well, which I'm going to go and take a look at. Let's go take a look at the Radisson Blu in Costa Teguise. Stay tuned. So you know you're in for a treat when the outside of the hotel looks like this, super modern, brand spanking new, and I just knew the minute I walked through that door I'd get that new hotel smell. It was shiny and beautiful. There was no time to waste. I had to get out and see the most important thing, which is that beautiful big blue pool. Now don't worry about the clouds. This was a late afternoon, so the sun was going down, and you can see all these shiny, beautiful balconies all overlooking this gorgeous pool area. The staff were waiting on people hand and foot. There was very few people in here, but lots of people ready to welcome new guests into the new Radisson Blu. And there was loads of places to chill out, relax, and just plenty of room. So off we went to see what we could find here at the Radisson Blu. Now this place is where they do all the entertainment on the evening. Obviously it was closed when we were here, but this is where they have all the live shows, the seating outside, seating inside, and a big stage area to keep you all entertained. The cleanliness of this place and the attention to detail is just second to none. Beautiful garden areas, everything's just spotless and brand spanking new. It's only been open 14 days. Now for those of you that don't know, this place used to be called the Coronas Playa and it was a TUI Gold hotel. It's still very much in the TUI program and you can book it through TUI or direct with Radisson. However, now it's not an adults only hotel. It is allowing children in, but it is an adult orientated hotel, which means there's no entertainment for the children, but it's no longer an adults only. If you've stopped in Coronas Playa before, drop us a comment, let us know your thoughts. Most of the hotels in Lanzarote are only 2 to 3 stories high, and this one is no exception, but you can see all the rooms circulate around the pool area, giving you beautiful pool views and also sea views as well. Now down below in the other area of the hotel there was another pool. They were doing some work on it, so I didn't film down there, but there is a second pool as well, maybe even a third, but we didn't venture that far. This pool was enough for me, and I'll tell you what, it must have been heated because it was a little bit chilly at about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and there were people having a swim. So I reckon this pool is certainly one of the heated pools in Lanzarote, which is always a bonus during the winter season. Now I did mention at the start of the video that there's a restaurant next door. I'm going to show you that very shortly because it's open to the public and it's part of the Radisson group. However, this is the restaurant that's in the hotel. Now it wasn't open, but I managed to have a little sneaky peek inside and just look at that. Super modern, super bright, just looks beautiful as the reception area. This place just blew me away. Loads of places to sit, chill out. It was really relaxing, and there was a bar on site in reception as well, so you've got that sort of indoor outdoor feel, and it just looks over the pool. Look at this super luxury. You could sit there, enjoy a drink, and just watch the world go by. As promised, this is the restaurant next door, and it's part of the Radisson and it's part of the hotel. However, it is open to the public, and it's an Italian restaurant called Sesto Senso. That's a bit of a mouthful, and I think it means 6 senses. I may be wrong, so if there's anybody Italian there, let me know what it means. And this is a beautiful place, brand spanking new again. Kitchen where you can see all your food being prepared, and the decor is just out of this world. As I said, it's open to the public. The staff staff are super friendly and they're waiting to serve you to some of the best Italian food in Lanzarote, I'm sure. Look at this place. So there you go, folks. That was your first look at the Radisson Blu in Costa Teguise. Now, as I said, you can book this with the Radisson or you can go to TUI and you can book it with TUI. I'm not sure if there's anywhere else that you can get this hotel but those two places, and I'll put a link below so you can have a little look. And don't forget, if you want to come and see these beautiful people in this Italian restaurant, Sesto Senso, it is open now, so get yourself down there. All that's left to say is make sure to like, follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we've got loads more hotels, loads more information about Lanzarote and the Canary Islands. See you soon. Have a great day.